Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to edit page titles in Squarespace. This is essential for organizing your website and improving how it appears in search results, so let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready, as accessing your dashboard is the first step to making any changes to your site. After successfully logging in, you'll land on your Squarespace dashboard. Here, you'll see all the websites associated with your account displayed. Simply click on the specific website where you want to edit the page titles. This action will take you into that site's editing environment where you can make all necessary adjustments. Now that you're inside your chosen website, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. In this menu, locate and click on the option labeled Website. This will expand a submenu with several additional options. From this submenu, click on Pages. This section is where all your website's pages are organized and managed, making it your central hub for structural edits. Once you click on Pages, you'll see a complete list of all the pages that currently exist on your website. These might include your homepage, about page, contact page, blog posts, and any other custom pages you've created. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this layout as it shows you the entire structure of your site at a glance. Now comes the actual editing part. Simply locate the specific page whose title you want to change. Scroll through your list of pages until you find the one you're looking for. This could be any page on your site, whether it's a main navigation page or a subpage nested under another section. Once you've found the page, look to the right of its name and you'll notice a small gear icon sitting beside it. This gear icon represents the settings for that particular page. Go ahead and click on it to open up the Page Settings panel. This is where you can customize various aspects of the page, including its title, URL, and other metadata. In the settings panel that appears, you'll see a field labeled Page Title. Click into this field and you'll be able to edit the existing title. Simply delete the old title or modify it as needed, typing in your new preferred page title. Make sure your new title accurately reflects the content of the page and is clear for both visitors and search engines. After you've finished editing the page title to your satisfaction, look for the Save button, typically located at the bottom or top of the settings panel. Click Save to apply your changes. Your new page title is now updated and will be reflected across your website. And there you have it. You've successfully edited a page title in Squarespace, giving your site better organization and clarity. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.